wakuma nyina wo moja nyina eye NPP. We share baby a party was a CID. You cannot be happy. You cannot. Won't mean enough years I say, oh, party no. Yes, woman the way I am into I'm going away.
Sophie said the party has hurt you.
The party has hurt me, but it's not the party. The party not that hurted me.
Individuals.
It's a group.
Okay.
But they are still party members.
Okay.
Intermediate media chair. I've given everything to God. Media chair. Everything that has happened is gone. It's in the past. Because me enough years in share party confirm. Before I left NPP or answer and I won't be suspending me. I prepared for the victory. We were in opposition then.
Yeah.
And we went and won 169 seats.
That's right.
After that, when we permit me coffee and me say, oh, whatever happens, we've done all the work. Party beba power. And tinami tifie and a results. Because that means you say everything we've done. The only thing that was left was print T-shirts and go and make noise. That's all. Yenya 169 I was very happy.
Even after that?
Oh, even after that. I sent congratulation messages to almost all of them. Although nobody answered. But it's okay. It's okay. Now, Metifie Yako power. Anything we wanted in Ghana was under our control. And then we dropped to 137. From 169 to 137. Now, and I said, oh, well, we'll do better next time. Next time, so we are on 87 seats. How can you sit down? We'll say, so obviously, or your NPP. Now say, or can't you say, oh, BBI, okay, we have your power. We will do this. We are deceiving ourselves. So on pay NPP. Yen can quench each other. Say, asema abesi is difficult. In Kabum is the first thing. We have to unite. We have to stop. Nancy, when we see, when we be to a candidate Japan. People went to party office last week, Thursday, with placards.
Ken must go.
Ken must go. Ken must go. How? Why? When you're in a hole and you want to come out of that hole, the first thing you do is you stop digging.
Okay.
But if you continue digging, you are going deeper. You are not coming out. Yes.
Na say opese opia yentu amana no bi nka ho.
No.
Ye jai na ya fele amana no wa pie. Ba we de ebi mu say tu amana ni bi.
Yeah. Into who be tu ken. Na ebebo ye. Okwa onko on you no kwa na beko.
Okay.
We have examples. You want for Fanto. UP. Let's bring everybody back. Obia Murphy. Obia Shemi. Adia me. But I am ready. Party nunti. Power nti. 2 minutes. Yena Murphy. Go to the north. You were NPP members. Go to Volta. You were NPP members. Go to Nzima, NPP members. Now, women, they are working towards the same agenda, but they don't know each other. We don't know each other.
That's right.
Even national conference, one place, you'll be an and only delegates, but still they are working for NPP. So, nobody is saying that I don't like this man from Nzima. I don't like this one from Volta because we know, but we are working towards the same goal. And no. We have to come together and then take our party forward. Because when I say, my own region, Upper East, we have no seat, not one seat. Yeah, from 4 times I have 4 seats, we have gone to 0. Upper West, from 5, you got 0. Savannah, only 1 seat.
So now you have almost about 2 or 3 regions that need representation. 4.
Yes.
4 regions in Ghana.
One seat.
Muni MP baako kra. No,
Dabi,
this is
Dabi.
abysmal.
Bantama, yes, Bantama with the MPP t-shirt, I could share upon share, it will beat NDC. Yen, Northern region, your Bantama ni Yendi. So much Yendi here.
Yeah, Yendi.
Yendi is gone. Yendi is gone. When you now a hammy pa and I see, look at MP, even Asantemai, NDC never go more than 3 seats, and now one was 7.
Yes.
Emboldens Ashedun Ketia say, "Oh, can't you?"
So next time I'll bet you 10.
Or say 50%.
I also much him.
Yeah, one with Chemu. One be Chemu with MPP. Ewo ya ye na NDC voter de ye nya bakupo.
The voter is here back on cry.
David,
Jeffrey.
Yes. Otisu, nothing. Inti, we are in crisis. We dear, me so using you, Omahine, any more cheerful. Sorry na yenji party, yensi party, and bring it back to power. 2014, you were opposition. With the plan be by new plan for power. Let me find no NPP. New plan for power. Let me see. We will get power. I was clear about it. We had an incumbent president, or to be called second term, but we used the new plan for power, and a bow power. This time, so we did another plan about, but it is the 3 hours to reunite the party, and that is the biggest thing. Reunite. And come on, Nima, yen to me we nothing. And then we rebuild the structures and strengthen the structures of the party. That's the 2nd hour. And then the 3rd hour is to recapture power. Into Obia, we say party no and share year. And now our party no and treat you year in the past. Woman jai past no. Because you don't expect people to vomit and you come and eat the vomit. No, come, let's build a road to the future. Let's build a bridge to the future. Don't let us put obstacles in our way. Because it's painful and difficult. We have a party in power that is almost 2/3 majority in parliament. Before we can overturn that, it's serious work, but we have time. We should stop digging the hole. We should stop digging the hole. Look at me, look at my pain, and understand that I have left it all behind me. In fact, to show that I mean serious business about unity, the first person I'm calling about Dr. Baumia, and I'm can't share, we say, my brother, Doc, so won't be a nomination, sir, remember? I want to come and do whatever I can for the party.
Was he surprised?
Well, you know, Doc is always very stoic until he had a face that you cannot read him. And I can't just say, Meba, or see what. And from there, I went to Dr. President Akufo-Addo.
You went to Nana?
Yes. Why shouldn't I? I want to unite the party.
I was the reception.
The pain is gone. So I'm calling her or say, why are you coming to tell me this? After all, I've heard it on TV and radio. And you can just say, Nana, if I don't come to you directly to tell you that I want to come back, the party is not in a good state, and I want to unite the party. But now, he share me. And I said, Nana, do you have any advice for me? Then he responded, or say, you know you are not alone. Others are contesting. And I say, I am not clear. But I want to come back and build this party again. I say, okay. Anybody who wins, and if you, Paul, you win, I'll work with you. That was all I wanted to hear. And I'm saying, Nana, I thank you. If you call President Kufo, Mr. Ati said, me can't share the same things I told Nana, say, party no nye, Maybe I say I'm sure yeah. President could first stop and say, Paul, who can say me whom at their echoes. So why are you telling me? And I'm saying, because I want to come back. Oh, say, hey, over here. So over here, there is a good thing, oh, because you can unite the party. Go, you have my blessing. And I made an say, I went to Canada, Japan. I can't share no. And I'm saying, Marty said, these days, you are not involved in the party at all. You are just sitting back. Mom said, Meba, I want you to come. I want to unite the party. But now I say, senior. Son of him, I say, senior. Sir, go winning, who winning, brother, Nyankasa. Mr. Yomati. Into a hammy pass last week, Thursday. They were holding placards at party office. Say, Ken must go. You are digging the hole. You are not stopping. You are digging the hole. The same Thursday, National Council. If you don't see the petition by it, say, one will disqualify me. And I
won't disqualify us why a day.
Exactly. Send me my court suspension. Until I shouldn't even be allowed to contest. I must serve out time. And one can't say those two petitioners. I won't name them. They know themselves because they spoke to the petition, and they were told that since 2018 suspension no way. If he wanted to contest chairman or Tumiba or to Ankashi or Tinafie, on what grounds are you going to disqualify Afoko? On what grounds? Until National Council threw it out.
They've done well.
They've done well. And I mean, we say, this shows that the party is ready to come back together. Because who can 2014? When we say they should disqualify me because me, now me could that prison for importing cocaine into London. We continue here for 6 weeks. Now will be a year campaign. Want me to command Interpol. Interpol checked me out. Finally, when we say, Paul Afoko, you are checking America, Germany, France, Mindi bibia fa no manko prison da ma omanchi me anywhere. And also the same sort of petition NED that was sent on Thursday. The same sort of petition that they used in last time before you caught Tabaleno. Inti me sremo mo tie fo nyina o ma hin me so e na me da wase so say wo mu tie me, come back to the party, vote for me. Now Yanshisha party, yes sir, we are in crisis. The party is in an emergency. Mo amutifie say, oh, party 8 years in power, man, they disrespected me. They did this, they did that. Know that I didn't even get a gutter to clean. Nothing. Your power 8 years, nothing. It was even worse. It was even worse. But I don't talk about that. It's gone. A core. Build our bridges to the future, not to our past. Don't build obstacles in the way of power and victory. Even a Juma name is difficult to consummate. Very difficult. And will make it worse if we don't unite. Unity, no dear, is non-negotiable.
Mr. Afoko, I'm sitting in front of you. I am overwhelmed because not to take you to the past, but as a media person, I know what transpired in this country. The insult, the acrimony, the hate speeches, Niandi. And you are calling for unity for NPP. I mean, Obia will name the history behind your suspension and course, no. Shouldn't be. We'll be surprised hearing this from you. Okwabonte now only party for no kasa. What has been their response? Apart from Mpenifono. Definitely, the masses, the delegates are the people who vote for you.
Yes.
Finally. Only almost starting Gitamudieno. Say.
Miss, around the country, only the elders
Okay.
and patrons and regional executives, every region. Now, Masaba, I'm now going to meet the mass of our party. Inti Minu can say, Echina, Nyamibua, I'll start going around Asante.
Okay.
Because Asante is the heart of NPP.
That is true.
The heartbeat. Even find something there go. And I am expecting, say, Womubeji Asemi Edia. Because say if they don't listen, then Yebeka, we won't go anywhere. We need to move forward. The party needs to move forward. Obia Obetina Hose or no or say, oh, party no is okay. Let's just attack NDC. Let's attack NDC. You're not thinking. You're not thinking. Let's take care of ourselves and build the machine now. A co-election, it will win. That's what I did in 2014. Even though now say me, oh, Afoko yes say. Me say no. Power there, any emotions.
Okay, power and emotions. Strategies.
Strategy.
Planning.
And then from that strategy and planning, you bring your tactics out for every region. Every region will
unique.
Unique. We draw its tactics from that strategy. Now say, yes, sir. How are we going to win power? Into my boss I've left the comfort of my home, going around the country. Now I have come to the home itself. The home itself. Because one winning Asante Mine there, NPP. And Asante Mine, the party was formed here. It was formed here. When we, the Northerners, were called NPP, Yema, Northern People's Party, NLM, Ganshifomupe, Fanti Confederation, Transvolta Togoland Party, Yenina Yebaha, Ewo Minshia, and Otunfo and the Frey. And we came together and formed UP.
That's right.
United Party. We were united. And Asante Mine is so welcoming of everybody. I keep saying it to everybody who will listen. I hope it doesn't give me trouble. But Tama, yes, say, Musedium Yefene say, Baba Yara. Oya Santini.
Debbie.
But Asante Mine has received Baba Yara.
Yeah.
And Kran woman say Ohini Giant Stadium.
Yeah,
Genesis. In Tokwa. This is Asante. Asante receives everybody. Some who are Atinga Junction.
Yeah, Atinga.
Tama me say Atinga Junction.
Atinga
Junction. Hey, sir. Fefeni Mudiato. What was it? Yes. Uko Chinchinga. Any. Miso O. Enu ye.
You are Raga Junction.
More Fanti New Town.
Yeah. Is Awaba.
More, you're giving me more.
Moshi Zongo.
What is it?
Edini doso pa.
Any inti Asante Mine. Your party no. Nakuma. It was Asante Mine. Our strength is here. Last election year, I try to say we are in trouble. Because NDC has more than double its seats in Asante. No one more 3 seats. There be 3 seats. One more be. Now they've got 7. 7. I said, can say, you know, we will check Asante Mine 50-50. Into Miss Remo, what you for you Miss Remo. Remember, I'm coming around the region. Muntie me. Now, sorry. Now, yen come together to fight this big fight that is coming in 2 years' time.
Paul, I went to me, Afoko, Oba One, Ira, Adenimo, former member of parliament for Mampo. Ira Adenimo.
Yeah.
What